Good morning, you guys. It is Friday. Lila and I just got home from Boston. We went to the Noah Kahan concert last night. It was amazing, absolutely amazing. But this was waiting for me when I got home, so I can't wait to show this to you. I did spontaneously buy it. I haven't purchased from the Gillio website in years. I always prefer to buy secondhand. The planners are already broken in, well loved. You know what I mean? They're squishy and just they've aged, and I love that. So the reason for this spontaneous purchase is because I have gotten sucked into this little pocket Daydesigner spiral bound planner, and I love the Moterm covers, but they don't patina how I like my planners. I like my planners to age and look used and loved, and this is not ultimately going to do that, but it is a beautiful cover nonetheless. It comes in a variety of colors, and yeah, so we are gonna unbox my new Gillio real quick. And I did go with the Appunto Gold. And I'm hoping, because I feel like this planner might be a little bit more forgiving size-wise to have a couple of notebooks in it, but I guess we're about to find out because I'm going to move that setup into this and see if it works. And I have already opened this, so I'll be open with you guys on that. I've opened this, and I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on it. First off, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It is the gold. It is beautiful. However, I have owned so many Gillios that this leather feels different to me. It does not feel like my other ones, but again, I've not bought a brand new one in so long that I don't know what a brand new one feels like. So after it gets broken in and everything, I mean, I'm definitely going to show how it ages and how it wears, but it feels different to me. And it doesn't have an overpowering smell, but it smells different than my Gillio. So those were my initial thoughts on it. This is first quality, so I don't see any problems with it. It does have the big back pocket. And I'm really excited to move into this and see how it wears. I don't plan on putting it in a pouch. I did choose the shiny gunmetal. I really wish they would change these to black ink, so I need to go find black ink for it. But I thought it was a beautiful pen. If you've never ordered from their website, you do get to pick whatever color pen you want. There's combos, so you can have two colors, but they do come with blue ink. But I am going to move into this. Whatever, I'll just do it on camera. Should I do it on camera? Why not? So one thing I wanted to do was check sizes. And yeah, look, you can clearly see this is what I was thinking was going to be the problem, that this setup might not work in this, is because it's smaller. It's tinier. So we are just gonna wing it. We're going to see if I can't get this to work. I may need to trim this, whoopsie. I may need to trim, maybe. I may need to trim this cover in order for it to slide into here. If this damn thing doesn't work in here, I'm gonna cry. Okay, good. Woo. I mean, I wasn't really gonna cry, but I'm telling you right now, the double notebook is not going to work. I can already tell. Definitely more spacious if you want a big chunky planner with all of this in it, but let's see what we can do. So far I got that planner in there. This I had here. Maybe I'm gonna stand corrected here. I don't know. We're about to find out. I might just need to trim this cover down because it might just be too long. Okay, I'm way wrong. Wow. Okay, never mind. Disregard everything I just said. It fits. Oh my God, it fits. I'm so excited. I'm excited. Okay, and then pen. I just need to put all my little embellishments and things. This is my Pilot Vanishing Point. And I got this on Amazon. It was just on sale for $65. I do not like buying expensive pens. I'm always worried about losing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Sorry. I don't like buying expensive pens because I lose them. But this one I am really enjoying. It was on sale, like I said, on Amazon. And will it fit in this pen loop? It fits. It fits. It fits. A little wonky, but it fits. Let's see. I don't like the way that's sitting. Definitely need to break in the pen loop. Sorry, I'm going to shake the table for a second. Do we like that? I don't know if I like that. Whatever, doesn't matter. Don't usually keep pens in my planner, but I have plenty of room for like side tabs over here. All right, let's move a couple of my other things here. So I have like just sticky notes, pictures, more sticky notes, and then this is just a future appointment card. I'll keep that there. And then I just have a couple of things. This, I know that I've seen someone ask me where I got this from. It is the Midori stencil. So this, I think I got it on Jet Pens. I'm pretty sure that's where I got it. So I'm just gonna cover this. It's just my little bill tracker. Cover that up real quick with some sticky notes. And then big back pocket. I just have like, honestly, some miscellaneous junk that I can probably just go through real quick. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm so happy it's Friday. I'm so happy my husband is off for the weekend. No, I don't want that there. Basically, I'm setting this up identical to what I had. So yeah, anyway, my husband's home for the weekend. It's going to be so nice. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful weekend here in New Hampshire. I don't know what's going on with all the power outages things for airlines. All Boston flights are grounded today, as well as like computer systems for our hospitals are down. Apparently New Hampshire could not call 911 this morning, so it's kind of scary. All right, I'm gonna put this in here. It's just a future appointment card with a couple sticky notes. This probably won't stay like this, but for video purposes, I'm just shoving it in there. This is our kids when we went to Lake George a couple years ago. Violet and I being funny on some Snapchat filters. And then receipts, I usually just stick them under here. I still can't find my large ollie clip, which is driving me crazy. I'm so excited about this planner, you guys. Oh, and then the other thing you can do is if you don't like how it looks in the pen loop, if you have a chunkier pen, a skinny pen will fit in there. I'm gonna put a highlighter in there. That's what I'm gonna do. Highlighter here and my pen there. I am going to keep the little tassel things on there. But this is what it looks like so far. Am I even in frame? Shoot. Sorry, guys. So this is just the Pen and Gear notebook. They're $1 at Walmart. I just love it as my scratch note paper, scribble things down. I walked through my planner on my TikTok, no ma'am, on my Instagram. So I saved it in a highlight. I did more of a more in-depth walkthrough. And then this is the Daydesigner, which obviously has my schedule and stuff in it. And this is what the last couple of months, I did back plan May and June. This is July. These are my weeklies. It's freaking cute, guys. $6.99 for this planner. My tabs, my monthly, they're like little tabs like this. These are from Type A for Alexa. And I don't have any other embellishments or anything in here. I just don't want to bulk up this little spine for any reason. And then this is my permanent like list notebook, things that we do around the house, how much it costs, just so I keep track of that. This does have a zipper compartment here, which is really nice. Don't know what I'd put in there, probably like a couple Band-Aids, something like that. And then the big back pocket, like I said, I have a couple of papers, but I'm not putting them in there right now because I'm just gonna go through those. Now, let me show you real quick. Okay, I'm gonna play with that all day. When we were in Boston, we went to the Muji store, Lila and I did, and they had these super cute sticky like tabs. They look like that. They look like little matchsticks. So I'll probably put those in my planner. I got these little cat post-it things, post-it notes. If I can get this open, hold on. Sorry if you have headphones on, that's probably really loud. But they're really cute. Everything's cute, cute, cute. And then some sticky tabs. I liked those. Not whatever, Post-its. You know what I mean. And then I did get this little pencil container with little tape corrector and then a couple of different pens. I love clicky pens the most. So, and I've owned this pen several times. And then lastly, I got a couple of these notebooks. But then I wasn't thinking, because if I'm going to, when I have it in my planner, I usually slide the back cover in. I think I would have to flip it and slide this cover in order to keep the elastic part. Whatever. I'll mess around with it later. I'm not in the mood. I need a nap. I need a nap. Okay. So that is everything. New planner. Freaking love it. I am just going to hang on to this because why not? And if you guys have any questions, let me know. And I will see you on Instagram. Bye.